Yes, in the previous session, we have derived properties of inverse trigonometric functions up to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Here, some more properties are there. We will solve them. First one, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, which is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is valid only when xy is greater than minus 1. X and y product is greater than minus 1. Okay, very simple it is. To prove, what you do, using first year formula, tan of a minus b is equal to formula tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, here tan of a minus b is equal to, what you do, we will have, in place of a minus b, we want to have tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Okay, you substitute a is equal to tan inverse of x and b is equal to tan inverse of y. A is equal to tan inverse of x can be written as tan a is equal to x. B is equal to tan inverse of y can be written as tan b is equal to y. Okay, substituting these values in the known formula, tan of a means this is tan inverse of x minus b means tan inverse of y, which is equal to tan a is x minus of tan b is y divided by 1 plus x into y. Okay, tan, you can write it as tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, which is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. This is the property. Three more properties are there. Those are, two times tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square for modulus of x less than or equal to 1, and next 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square for x greater than or equal to 0, and next 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square for minus 1 less than x less than 1. In this case, means open interval minus 1 to plus 1. Very easy to prove all these. First one, to prove this first one, what we do, already we know that some of the formulae for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta is equal to, sin 2 theta in terms of tan is nothing but 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. First year formula these are, you should know all these formulas. And also we have cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And then we have tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Here we will make use of all these formula. Coming to first one, 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square for modulus of x less than or equal to 1. How to prove this? Right hand side you see somewhat 2x divided by 1 plus x square, it looks like 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. If we substitute x is equal to tan theta. Okay, put x is equal to tan theta in RHS. Okay, and this implies tan inverse of x is equal to theta. Take RHS here. RHS is sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, which is sine inverse of 2 into x is nothing but tan theta, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Sine inverse of we have the formula 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. Okay, sine 2 theta. Sine and sine inverse get cancelled. This is nothing but 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? X is equal to tan theta we have substituted, then tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So 2 times tan inverse of x. This is nothing but LHS. Hence the proof 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Coming to the second problem, what is that? 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. To prove 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Same way here also we will use this formula, second one, and again substitution will be same. What is that? Substitute x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta substitution. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Take the RHS here. RHS is cos inverse of 1 minus x is nothing but tan theta. So 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta in the denominator. Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square is nothing but cos 2 theta. So cos inverse of cos 2 theta, cos inverse get cancelled. This is nothing but 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Theta is nothing but 2 tan inverse of x. This is nothing but LHS. Hence the proof 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Coming to third one, to prove 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Again same thing, what you do? You substitute x is equal to tan theta here. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. RHS you take tan inverse of 2 into, in place of x I am substituting tan theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus of x square means here tan square theta. Tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We have the formula tan 2 theta. Tan inverse get cancelled. 2 theta. 2 into theta is tan inverse of x. This is LHS. We have 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, with this properties of inverse trigonometric functions completed. Now onwards we will go with the problems here. Problems. Example 3 is that show that first one, sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square, which is equal to 2 times sine inverse of x for x greater than or equal to minus 1 by root 2 and less than or equal to plus 1 by root 2. Second one, sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 times cos inverse of x, where x values are greater than or equal to 1 by root 2 and less than or equal to 1. Okay, to prove this, I am going to prove that first one, What is that? Sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square, which is equal to 2 times the sine inverse of x. Very simple here. You substitute x is equal to sine theta. What you do? You substitute x is equal to sine theta in the LHS. And x is equal to sine theta implies theta is equal to sine inverse of x. LHS is equal to sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square, sine inverse of 2 into, what is x? X is nothing but sine theta, into square root of 1 minus of x is nothing but sine theta, means it is sine square theta here, sine inverse of 2 times the sine theta into square root of, we know 1 minus sine square is nothing but a cos square, using the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus sine square is nothing but cos square. Square and square root get cancelled. Sine inverse of 2 times sine theta into cos theta here. And sine inverse of, we know the sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 theta is nothing but 2 sine theta into cos theta. Yes, we have 2 sine theta into cos theta here. Can be written as sine 2 theta. Sine inverse get cancelled. 2 theta. 2 into, what is theta? Theta we have substituted x is equal to sine theta, means theta we have sine inverse of x. Sine inverse of x is nothing but a RHS. Okay, now to prove the second problem, what is that? Sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 times cos inverse of x. Here what you do? Take LHS. LHS is equal to sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square. You substitute x is equal to cos theta here. Substituting x is equal to cos theta, this is nothing but theta is equal to cos inverse of x. We have sine inverse of 2 into x is nothing but cos theta, 2 cos theta, into square root of 1 minus of x is cos theta, so we have cos square theta here. Sine inverse of 2 times cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta, using this formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 minus cos square is nothing but a sin square. So square root of sin square theta. Square and square root get cancelled. Sin inverse of 2 times cos theta into sin theta. Again we came to the formula of sin 2 theta here. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 times sin theta into cos theta. We have 2 times sin theta into cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. Sin inverse get cancelled. We have 2 theta, 2 into, what is theta? Theta is nothing but cos inverse of x. Okay, hence this is nothing but RHS. Hence we have proved 2 times, sin inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 times cos inverse of x. Coming to the next example, that is, show that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Property already we have proved. Just by looking at the problem, we can think of the property which one is suitable here. Take LHS. LHS is nothing but tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. Property is already known to us. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Is that satisfying the condition? X greater than 0, okay. 1 by 2 greater than 0, positive value. Y greater than 0, yes. 2 by 11 is greater than 0. And what about the xy product? Xy product, is it less than 1? X into y is a 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. 2 to get cancelled, 1 by 11. 1 by 11 means 0 point something. This is less than 1. Okay. This property only. No need to check at each step. Just by saying the values, we can use this formula. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. Using this, we have tan inverse of x, in place of x we have 1 by 2, in place of y we have 2 by 11 divided by 1 minus of x is 1 by 2, y is 2 by 11. Okay, simplify this. Tan inverse of cross multiply in the numerator 11 plus 2 into 2 4 divided by 2 into 11 is 22, whole divided by, here we have, this is 22, 11 into 2 22, cross multiplying 22 minus 2 divided by 22. Tan inverse of, you see, numerator and denominator by 22 by 22 both sides, the 22 get cancels. We left with 11 plus 4 by 22 minus 2. Tan inverse of 11 plus 4, 15, 15 by 20, 5 3s are 5 4s are, this is nothing but tan inverse of 3 by 4. That is the RHS. Taking the next example, example number 5. We have here express tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x, where x is taking the values minus 3 pi by 2 less than x or less than pi by 2 in the simplest form. In the simplest form, we need to write it in the simplest form. Okay, here you should know the formulas. First of all, to use this, tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x is there. Okay, cos x I will write in terms of sin. Tan inverse of this is sin of 90 minus x, I can write pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 minus of this cos I will write in terms of, this sin I will write in terms of cos. This is cos of pi by 2 minus x. Then I will use the formulas for sin and cos. We know sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Similarly, the half angle formula, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In the same way, what is 1 minus cos theta is equal to formula? 1 minus cos theta is equal to formula. We have 2 times sin square theta by 2 as the formula, which you have studied in first PU. We are using it here. Tan inverse of, this is sin theta. Theta is nothing but pi by 2 minus x by 2. So 2 times sin of theta by 2 means it is pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 2 into cos of pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 2. This is divided by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 times sine square theta by 2, 2 times sine square pi by 2 minus x by 2. You see, one time this sine of pi by 2 minus x by 2 cancels, and outside 2 get cancels. Tan inverse of cos of 2, it will get divided, means this becomes pi by 4 minus x by 2 divided by, we have sine of pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is cos by sine, nothing but cot of pi by 4 minus x by 2 here. Tan inverse of, if you have tan here, tan and tan inverse we can cancel. Hence I will write here this cot as a tan of 90 minus theta. So this is a tan of pi by 2 minus of theta, means this whole thing, pi by 4 minus x by 2, means pi by 4 minus x by 2. This should be kept inside the bracket. Tan inverse get cancel. Pi by 2 minus get multiplies to both the terms. Minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4. 90 minus 45 is nothing but 45. Pi by 4 plus x by 2. So, simplified form of tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x is nothing but pi by 4 plus x by 2. Thank you.